Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with CandiWare, and today is going to be a color changing slime. Now this particular color changing slime, you change it by adding heat to it, so as you can see it turns yellow, but there are other ones that you can find that will change color when you add cold to it, so definitely check that out. First, we're going to be making our borax powder mixture if you didn't make this the last time we made slime. So you're going to add in half a teaspoon of borax to a cup of boiling hot water. Now you're going to mix that all up and you can set that aside. Now the cool thing about this is we're not going to be using all of the borax, so you can save this for the next time you feel like making some slime. Next, we're going to be taking half a cup of Elmer's school glue, and you're going to add 1/3 cup just regular water. Now this is the pigment I decided to use, and you can find your own on eBay, that's where I found mine. And we're just going to add in 4 half teaspoons, and we're just going to mix that all up. Now this does take a bit, so do be patient. You gotta get all the bits out. And then we're going to be adding in the borax once you have mixed up all of the other ingredients. So I like to use my hands and just use again the half teaspoon and just keep mixing it up. You'll end up using about half a cup. And then when you're done, this is what your slime should look like. So I really do hope that the slime doesn't stick to your fingers. If it does, it means that you have to add more borax. But this is the outcome, and as you can see, you just use some heat and the slime changes color. I had a lot of fun making this. It's pretty simple. The hardest part is really just finding the pigment. But I will leave all the information down below on where to find some of the products for this. So I do hope you will try this at home. And if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also find me on all social media and on Twitch. I love Twitch right now, guys. So I really hope you'll check me out there. And without further ado, I will see you on next Friday's video. Bye, guys.